Welcome back to the Suncoast View, and please welcome Chef Narendra from Curry Station.
Yes. Thank you.
Please tell us how we get started.
Yeah, we already started.
Oh, we got started. All right.
So,
Well,
this is the chicken in bone. So we are making the soup. So make sure we are using the chicken with the bone. So you don't need to use any ready-made stock or anything. We're gonna make everything here.
Oh.
So,
okay.
Thank you very much. So we're gonna just sear the chicken here. You see that?
So you sear it on the bone.
Yes. And then we have the spices from like we're gonna add some peppercorn, bay leaf.
And do you add the whole peppercorn?
Yes.
Or you do, oh,
whole peppercorn, and then we have the whole cloves here.
Clove.
Ginger, garlic, and coriander seed.
Yeah.
These are like a cilantro seed.
Yeah.
Yeah. These we're gonna add it. We have the mixture here.
So you add the coriander whole. What is that?
Yeah.
What does that do for us? Because we talked about the health factor.
Yeah, this is also very good for your cold and for your digestion system.
Okay.
It's pretty good. So we're gonna sear all these.
I've
Then
never
we're gonna
cooked
add
the whole
some
thing.
ginger, crushed
Wow.
ginger.
Wow.
That's a lot of ginger.
And we're gonna add some crushed garlic. And we're gonna sear them a little bit.
So you don't really chop anything up. You
No.
just put the whole
No.
Wow.
So much easier than chopping.
It is. That's the worst
Exactly.
part about cooking is the chopping.
It's very simple. Anybody can cook. Whatever I'm showing is very easy.
Right.
Wow.
Throw it in
know?
there.
Whatever.
And we're gonna add some tomatoes here.
Okay.
And we're gonna add some turmeric
Turmeric. We talked about the health benefits there.
and a little bit tomato paste. It's not necessary. If you don't have to buy it. But I wanna give a little bit color to the soup.
Okay,
But
that's
not
a
too
good
much,
idea.
just a little bit. And we're gonna we have some cilantro stem.
Okay.
If you have roots, if you can find the cilantro roots,
The roots?
they are the medicinal. Just wash them.
Really?
And if you can get from farm or if it's in your backyard,
Okay.
just chop, you can chop and put in the food and
Right.
just you can use the.
What kind of oil did you use to start
It's
with?
just a regular vegetable oil, and you can use coconut oil or anything, whatever you like. It's not a problem. So the main ingredient we forgot is the salt. Of course, we have to
A
add
little
some
bit of salt. Yeah.
And if you want a little bit more heat, you can add some jalapenos.
Oh. Okay. So you don't chop that
you don't
either.
even chop it.
No,
That's
nothing we're
crazy.
gonna chop.
I love it.
So
That's
it's
so easy.
pretty simple. And that's it. And
You'll
we're gonna
have to
add
let me
some water. No stock or nothing. So stock gonna come by itself from the bones.
That
And we're gonna
is
boil it.
interesting.
Then after boiling, you can cover and let it simmer for like 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
And we can add some more carrots if you want. If you like cauliflower, you can add cauliflower.
So the flavors cook out of the spices. That's
Yes,
what makes
yes.
our broth.
Yes. Then after that, if your kids like the noodles, you can make like
Right.
a chicken
You
noodle
can
soup.
add something
You
to
can
it.
put pasta, anything. And it's not hard also. If you want more hard, you can jalapenos or
It's
You don't have to
soothing,
put-
though. It has a very.
It
So
has a
what is its
great
official
flavor.
name? So we know what to ask for at Curry Station.
we have in the menu this soup. It's called like a chicken Dhaniya soup. Or
Dhaniya?
Chicken, yeah, you can
Dhaniya.
just say chicken soup. So we have the only this chicken soup in the menu.
It
So
is,
it's
and
great.
you can see
It
how
is
it
great.
will make you
It's
feel
crazy
just
good.
comforting, and it's not too spicy. It's a great blend of flavors, and of course, all the many other dishes. Butter chicken being my personal favorite on the Curry Station menu. A great place to take your family and
Sure is.
enjoy the flavors of India. And thank you
Thank
for
you very
teaching
much.
us how the spices
It's
will.
my pleasure.
I
Thank
feel
you
better
very much.
already.
See? There you go.
There you go.
Kelly said she was sick last week, and now you know what would have made you better. So we got it going on.
So if you don't feel like it's not good, you can come to our cooking class. We do cooking class. as
Oh,
well.
that's good to know.
Yeah.
Good to know. A lot of creative
Yeah.
spicing. All right, well, I've loved having all my visitors with me today.
Thank you
you
for
to
having us.
Fallow and Candace and Kelly, having everyone here. And of course, we'll go visit Chef Narendra at Curry Station. So enjoy the rest of your day. Be sure to take some time and enjoy the Suncoast
Thank you.
view.